Prime Minister of Pakistan Imran Khan has condemned the Pahalgam incident in Indian-occupied Kashmir. In a message issued from his jail cell after a select group of lawyers were allowed in to briefly meet him, Mr. Khan called on India to act responsibly. Mr. Khan said, quote, "Loss of human life in Pahalgam incident is deeply disturbing and tragic. I extend my deepest condolences to the victims and their families. Being a country of 1.5 billion people, India needs to act responsibly instead of messing with a region already known as quote-unquote nuclear flashpoint. Peace is our priority, but it should not be mistaken as cowardice. Pakistan has got all the capabilities to give a befitting response to any Indian misadventure, as my government, backed by whole nation, did in 2019." Unquote. Imran Khan also reiterated his stated stance that policies of the extremist BJP government in India was a threat to regional peace. Additionally, Mr. Khan said the entire Pakistan stands united against a hostile neighbor. Quote, "Sadly, the nation has been divided by an illegitimate government imposed through fraudulent Form 47 results. And yet, ironically, Narendra Modi's aggression has united the people of Pakistan in one voice against Indian hostility. While we reject this fake regime, we stand firmly as one Pakistani nation and strongly condemn Modi's warmongering and his dangerous ambitions that threaten regional peace." Unquote. The family of former Prime Minister Imran Khan was once again denied their scheduled weekly visit for the sixth consecutive week. Mr. Khan's sisters waited for several hours outside the maximum security Adiala jail, but were prevented by authorities from meeting him. Visuals circulating on social media showed Punjab police officers shoving Mr. Khan's sister as she attempted to approach the prison. It has now been 40 days since the family last saw Mr. Khan. His sister Alima Khan, who often acts as his unofficial spokesperson, conveys his messages unfiltered after their meetings. Analysts have said denying her access is part of an effort to keep the former Prime Minister incommunicado. Mr. Khan has not been seen publicly since his detention by the military-backed government on August 5, 2023 on politically motivated charges. Speaking to reporters at the jail gates, Alima Khan said, quote, "This is contempt of court. These policemen are either taking orders from the Punjab government or the colonel in Adiala jail. No one else has the audacity to commit contempt." Unquote. Secretary General of Pakistan Tehreek-e-Insaf PTI Salman Akram Raja, while addressing the party's OIC convention in Canada, paid tribute to the activism of the party's overseas chapters and overseas Pakistanis. In his address, Mr. Raja stated that the people of Pakistan made history on February 8th. Quote, "Against all odds, the people swept the elections. We weren't allowed to campaign. There was an atmosphere of fear, yet the people were determined to fight for their country and their rights." Unquote, he said. Mr. Raja spoke in detail about what he described as the erosion of democracy, suppression of fundamental rights, and ongoing human rights violations under the Pakistani military regime. Quote, "After the enactment of the 26th Amendment, the courts have been subdued. There is no justice, only contempt." Unquote, he remarked. He also highlighted the issue of political prisoners being held without charge for months. Additionally, Mr. Raja, who also represents former Prime Minister Imran Khan in various legal cases, revealed that he and Mr. Khan's sisters have been barred from meeting him. In a dramatic late-night press conference, Pakistan's military government warned of an imminent military strike from neighboring India, citing what it described as quote-unquote credible intelligence regarding a planned assault within the next 24 to 36 hours. A military government minister stated, quote, "Pakistan has credible intelligence that India intends to launch a military strike within the next 24 to 36 hours using the Pahalgam incident as a false pretext." Unquote. The official emphasized that Pakistan's armed forces are on high alert and prepared to respond to any aggression. Tensions have escalated following a major security and intelligence failure in Indian-occupied Kashmir, where 26 civilians were killed in a deadly attack. Within hours, the Indian government blamed Pakistan for the incident. Both India and Pakistan possess large arsenals of nuclear weapons.